Everybody, I'm here today to answer a simple question about cars making knocking sounds. I have oftentimes been asked, why do cars make knocking sounds? And I'll be going over 4 common reasons why your car or someone else's car might be making a knocking sound. Some of them are alarming and some of them aren't that big of a deal. Let's get right to it. Number 1 is it might be something hitting something else that's not engine related. So as soon as people hear a knocking sound, they automatically think that it's the engine, but in reality, there are so many moving parts on your car. And if one of those moving parts is hitting something else, that's gonna make a knocking sound. Like if my hand is a moving part and the door is something else in the car, it's gonna make a knocking sound. And if you notice that, sometimes at faster speeds, the knocking sound gets faster, and at slower speeds, the knocking sound gets slower, not regarding the tachometer, but the actual speed that you're traveling, like kilometers per hour, then you might want to look into that, just because it might be something else. And listen to where it's coming from. If it's coming from the wheel well, then it's probably not engine related. So it might be something hitting something else that's not engine related at all. Common reason number 2 is it might be because of an air-fuel mixture imbalance. Now you see, your engine basically works on air and fuel. And when they combine together along with a spark, you get combustion, and that's when you get horsepower. Now, it has a certain mixture that it needs, a certain balance. If you have the wrong air-fuel mixture, if you have too much air, too much fuel, whatever the case is, the wrong mixture, then it causes a bad combustion. And with that bad combustion, it is likely to cause a strange knocking noise. So if you notice other things that are related to having a bad air-fuel mixture with your car, and you hear a strange knocking noise specifically coming from the engine, then check it out. You want to look at your air-fuel ratio and see if it's what it needs to be with regards to the manufacturer's recommendations. If one is too high or too low, it might cause a knocking noise. In fact, it'll likely cause a knocking noise. Common reason number 3 is the fuel octane rating is too low. When you go to a gas pump and you see that number on the pump, 87, 89, 91, 94, whatever the case is, that is the octane rating of the fuel. Now, basically, let's say you have a performance vehicle. A performance vehicle will likely require premium gas, performance kind of fuel. If you put fuel that is that has an octane rating that is too low inside of a vehicle that requires a higher octane rating, it's going to probably cause a knocking sound, and it's going to be more susceptible to knocking. Now, the octane rating on the fuel is basically a number that I like to think of as the susceptibility to knocking. If you get a low number, it's going to be highly susceptible to knocking. A higher number is going to be not nearly as susceptible to knocking. So check out what fuel you're putting in your car, compare it to what the manufacturer recommends or requires. If the manufacturer recommends or requires premium fuel, fork out the extra cash and put premium fuel in the car if you want to avoid a knocking sound. Some cars, in modern cars, will have anti-knock type of technology where they will adjust the things inside of the engine to match the fuel rating that you're putting in. However, that's not the case with all cars. So if a car needs premium fuel, give it premium fuel. It's as simple as that. Last but not least is the 4th common reason, which is using the wrong kind of spark plug for your vehicle. If you actually use the wrong kind of spark plug, then that is going to be a reason why a knocking sound might happen, simply because your vehicle is going to need a certain type of spark plug. Each spark plug has certain heat ratings and so forth and different properties of it. If you use the wrong type or the wrong rating of spark plug in your vehicle, it will likely cause a knocking sound. So just, if you recently replaced your spark plugs and you start hearing a knocking sound, look into that. Make sure you use the right ones. Make sure that they're set to the right parameters and so forth. And that's it. In this video, I've answered a simple question of why do cars make knocking sounds, and I've given you 4 common reasons why this happens. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.